Hey Anirudh, how are you?
Hey Nikhil, what's up?
What are you looking for, man?
I'm searching for some webcams.
Why?
I have a meeting today.
Do you have an iPhone?
Yeah, I have one.
So use it as a webcam.
But how?
Let me show you how you can do that.
Alright.
Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog. Video conference calls getting common these days and all credit goes to COVID-19. And you must be looking for an immediate webcam solution which has a great video quality and cheaper too, right? And let me tell you, that solution is right on your hand and that's your iPhone. You can use your iPhone as a webcam while you're on video conference calls like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Skype and whatnot, and that too with a great video quality. Want to know how you can set it up by yourself? But before that, let me ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all the notifications so you never miss such great content from us. Now you are done with that, let's do it. First, you need to download this app called Camo on your iPhone as well as on your Mac or a PC. After installing an app on both devices, connect your iPhone with your Mac or a PC with a lightning cable. Open app on your iPhone and Mac. Now on your iPhone, it will ask for a permission to access the camera and microphone. Allow them both. Now place your iPhone at the preferred place and let the app on your Mac or a PC do the job for you. On Mac app, we can adjust some settings in free version like we can switch between the rear or front cameras. We can pick modes like basic portrait, mute background, add emoji on a face or a hand and few more. This is something really interesting and I got attention when I put a Jaguar filter from this app. And you can only record videos in a 720p format in the free version. But spending a few extra bucks allows us to access some great features of this application and let me tell you, I have just subscribed to it. In the Pro version, we have the option to switch between wide, ultra wide or a telephoto lens. The Pro version also unlocks the focus feature and we can adjust the lens focus manually. Also, we can record video up to 1080p format using our iPhone as a webcam on a conference calls like Zoom, Skype, Google Meet or other. Now the question is, how you can use it on your video conference calls? Let me show you how you can do that. While you are on a video call like Zoom, select Video Camera Rain Cubed Camo and you are done. See, it was so simple. Now you can use your iPhone as a webcam with your Mac or a PC. Do let me know it was helpful for you or not. And along with that, like this video, share this video with your family and friends and subscribe to my iGeeks blog YouTube channel. Also, download our all new iGeeks blog app to enjoy exclusive content about everything Apple. Now, allow me to say goodbye. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.